Hey to all the who's out there, I'm Alaric Hammell with the Office of Engagement. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of sharing Instagram photos on UVA Global Network. So you can see here we're pulled up on the global network, uvaclubs.virginia.edu or virginia.edu/UVA clubs. And right here on the home page, now from here you can see we have this little button, Share Your Story, where immediately you can get in and to the form that allows you to share Instagram photos in this case. Now another little trick, if you like typing in your URLs and you like to do it short, you can go to uvaclubs.virginia.edu/share, and that's easy enough. It brings you to the same form. Okay, now let's say that you have, like I have here pulled up on the UVA Clubs and Alumni Association Instagram account, Who's Cam, and you've got a photo that you want to share. So if we want to share this one here of this Virginia fan plate that someone snapped in the bookstore, all we need is the Instagram URL. So basically you just click on the photo, pull it up like this as you would in a web browser on a desktop PC, and then just go up to the top and highlight that there, the URL, Control C or right click and hit copy, and then we come to the submission form. The first part is pretty basic. You'll need your name, in this case, Alaric Hammell, email. Okay. And now in another video we have taking you through, if you haven't been to the site before, you can set up a username, bio, avatar, your profile pic, and all this information. Since I have, I can say, no, I've been here before. Okay. And then all I need to do is provide a title, say Virginia fan plate, and then a club. I'm in Charlottesville, so we would go with that, and then a category. And so I could say in Charlottesville, for example. And then what kind of content is it? Well, I'm trying to share an Instagram photo. So I click that, and then all I do is paste the URL in right there and click submit. And now that's easy enough, but of course the problem is that, or well, not the problem, but another issue is that a lot of people like to share on their mobile device. So what I'm going to try to do here now is show you how you would do that on a mobile device. But since I can't take a video of the mobile device, what I'll do is I'll show you screenshots from that device. So here we have the same interface, except imagine this is basically a screenshot of what you would see on your cell phone. Pulled up in the Instagram app under the Who's Cam login, which is how you would be logged in, whatever your username is. And what you're going to want to do is click on the little button here, the three little ellipses kind of like button, and what that does is it pops up a menu where you can choose report as inappropriate or copy share URL. So of course what you're going to want to choose is you're going to touch on the button for copy share URL, and that will bring up a message that says copied. So there, in the same way as on the other as on the desktop, you've copied the URL for Instagram. Okay. Now the next option is you're going to want to go, now you see you can open up your web browser, Firefox, Internet Explorer if you're on Windows Phone, Chrome if you're on Android, or Safari if you're on the iPhone. And we're here at the same URL, uvaclubs.virginia.edu/share. And the form is the same. You enter in your name, email, that kind of thing. And then Instagram photo, and paste it into this URL. So you would want to, on the Android, you can touch the box and then hold, and then the paste option pops up. And then you just touch on the paste option and it pastes it into the URL. Okay, and then you would click this orange submit button and you get the same message. Thanks for contacting us. We'll get in touch with you shortly. And now I'll show you what happens to that, because now the content is in the site and we're all ready to go to post it. Now all the content is curated, so what we'll do is we'll step in there and take a look at it and make sure that it follows all the user guidelines, and which it should. And then we'll approve it and post it, and it'll go live, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see here now I'm in the back end of WordPress. This is what we'd see after you submit your photo. So you can see Virginia fan plate, I'm the author, and I would click on that to bring it up so I can take a look at what the content is in it. Okay. And you see right there, there's the Instagram link, there's the tag, and I'm the associated author. So I can just go on preview, or in this case, I might as well just put on publish, and we'll go ahead and show you what it. Okay, so you can see it says post published and view post. I go ahead and pull it up, and here we go. It is a Virginia fan plate. There's the Instagram photo, and there's the author block that you would be associated with your user, with your author. And there it is. They're sharing an Instagram photo, both mobily and on through the desktop. So there you go. Hope this helps, and share a lot. Okay.